Morning students, today I will discuss over here exercise 4.2 lesson number 4 from our NCERT textbook. Classify the following curves as open and closed curve. As we know, when the starting point and the ending point both are different, they call open curve, and the starting point and ending point both are same or joined with each other, we call it closed curve. So here our first figure, that is English alphabet Z, it's not a close, so it's open curve. Right over here, open curve. This is also open curve, but here little bit joined, so you can consider it as a close also, otherwise it is a open. Next, it's a open curve. Here it is close, it's a triangle, and this one also a close curve. Draw a rough diagram to illustrate the following open curve. So you can draw this type of figure or as you can wish. It is closed curve, so I drawn over here triangle. Next, draw any polygon and shade its interior. So you can draw either rectangle, triangle, whatever, and you have to color inside the portion, interior portion. Question number 4. Consider the given figure and answer the questions. Is it a curve? See beta, we have to consider this figure. It's a curve or not? Yes, it's a curve. It is closed. Yes, obviously it is closed. So in both the cases, answer is yes. Now, next, number 5. Illustrate, if possible, each one of the following with a rough diagram. A number, a closed curve that is not a polygon. Not possible. Polygon means at least 3 sides, but for the closing of the figure, we need at least 3 sides. So, not possible. Next, an open curve made up of entirely of line segments. This type of figure you can draw. A polygon with 2 sides, not possible. For the polygon, at least 3 sides we need. Next come angles. What is called angles? So whenever 2 rays or 2 line segments share a common point, they form an angle. In specifying the angle, the vertex is always written as the middle letter. See beta, suppose this is angle, here one ray and this is second ray meet in a single point, that is point B. So B is called vertex. Always write this way, angle ABC or angle CBA. In general, we have to write in alphabetic order. So now these two are what is called BC and AB. These two are called arms of the angle. These two are called arms of the angle, and this is called the vertex of the angle. So as per measurement, angle divided, so the measurement of the angle is less than 90 degree, we call acute angle. More than 90 degree, we call obtuse angle. And exactly 90 degree, we call it right angle. Exact 180 degree, we call it straight angle. But more than 180, less than 360, we call reflex angle. And if it is an angle, whatever the portion inside the angle, we call interior, and the outer portion we call exterior of the angle. Exercise 4.3. Number 1, name the angles in the given figure. See beta, this is the figure. We have to write the name of the angle So write this way, DAB. DAB. That means this angle. DAB, angle ADC, angle BCD, and angle ABC. Number 2, in the given diagram, name the points. See beta, this is the figure. We have to write the name of the points, whether it is interior or exterior. In the given diagram, name the points. Number A, in the interior of DOE angle. See, DOE angle, इसके इंटीरियर पॉइंट में कौन कौन सा पॉइंट है? दैट इज पॉइंट ए. सो राइट ओवर हियर ए. Exterior of the angle EOF. This is angle EOF. Exterior, that means point C and D. Point A, C, D, comma A, comma C, comma D. Now on EOF. EOF के ऊपर कौन है? पॉइंट E, कॉमा पॉइंट B, कॉमा पॉइंट O, कॉमा पॉइंट F. Exercise 4.4. Triangle. As we know, when triangle is a polygon, a triangle is a three-sided polygon. In fact, it is the polygon with the least number of sides. सबसे कम साइड वाले पॉलीगन है ट्राइंगल. So exercise 4.4. Draw a rough sketch of triangle ABC. Mark a point P in its interior and a point Q in its exterior. See beta, this is the figure. ABC triangle. Point P is interior and point Q is exterior of the figure. Next question, identify 3 triangles in the figure. ये जो फिगर है इस पे 3 ट्राइंगल हमें लिखना है. ABD, triangle ABD, triangle ADC and triangle ABC. So here are the 3 triangles. राइट द नेम्स ऑफ 7 एंगल्स. इन सब का एंगल्स का नेम बोलना है. ABD, एंगल ADC, सॉरी ADB, एंगल BAD, एंगल CAD, एंगल ACD, एंगल ADC. लाइक दैट वी हैव टू राइट. Write the names of 6 line segments. So here are the line segments: BD, DC, AC, AB, AD, BC, like that. So now, which 2 triangles have angle B as common? Angle B common, triangle ABD and triangle ABC. Triangle ABD and triangle ABC. Next come quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals, what is called quadrilateral? A 4-sided polygon is called a quadrilateral. So, and the opposite sides, the joining line of opposite sides is called the diagonals of the quadrilateral.